Well, the big breaking story that we're tracking at this hour, after his arrest, the Union Cabinet Minister Narayan Rane has been granted bail by Mahar Court. My colleague Sohit Mishra, who's outside the Mahar Court, joins us live with all the details. Sohit, what happened in court?
Well, in court, while both sides kept their arguments, Narayan Rane was granted bail. The three reasons for that is: number one, he cited his health conditions. Number two, he said that he is union minister and he has been following all the laws properly. And number three, he said that this entire case is politically motivated. And after that, he was granted bail. However, this is the court that you're seeing on the screens right now, and he's still inside the court because all the legal procedures are still going on. It has been almost 40 minutes that the judgment has been declared and he has been granted bail. But despite that, he's still inside the court, and Narayan Rane is expected to come out in some time. Now, if you see and understand that how important this entire issue is, that it's around 12 p.m. It's midnight, and still, be it the Narayan Rane supporters, be it the workers, be it the media, be it the police, everyone are present over here in huge numbers. So this is also important because we need to understand that what we can say as of now is that the officials are going inside. The security is being increased, which means that Narayan Rane will be stepping out in some time. Now, if will he speak to the media or not, that is another question. But this is also an important day if we talk about Maharashtra politics, because a union minister was arrested in the afternoon and he was kept in the custody for till midnight as of now, what we can say, and still he is not out because the legal procedures are going on. So this has happened, and even if it is 12 o'clock, if Praveen will show you that people in huge numbers are present, although not everyone is allowed to come ahead, but people are present over here in huge numbers, and so is the security. The security has been beefed up over here, and as per sources, this will continue for the next few days because we saw what happened today across Maharashtra, the clashes that happened. So once Narayan Rane steps out, it will be important to see that what is his next strategy. Now remember that a yatra is going on, so will he be continuing with his yatra? Will he be taking a press conference? Will he be speaking with the media? These are the questions that needs to be addressed, and it will be important to see that what does Narayan Rane has to say about this. So apart from that, one thing that people need to understand, that the BMC elections are set to happen next year, and BJP is neck to neck if we compare it with Shiv Sena over there, and that's the reason we saw that even in Juhu today when the clashes were happening, both the sides tried to show their strength over there, and this is what all that has happened after the controversial statement that came yesterday. So as of now, the latest is that Narayan Rane is still inside the court, though he has been granted the bail. The legal procedures are going on. The security has been increased, and he might come out anytime. And how does BJP takes this forward? Will they keep attacking Shiv Sena? Now remember that the yatra began on 19th, and since 19th Narayan Rane has been attacking the Shiv Sena. On the first day of his yatra, he went to Shivaji Park, he went to the Balasaheb Thackeray Memorial over there, and over there too he attacked Shiv Sena leaders. So it's almost midnight and he is expected to come in sometime, and it would be very important to see if he addresses the media or not.